Here we go. Hey creatives, it's me, Lady Hale, on this pre-recording. Remember, we already told you how to go. 666. No. All right, cool. Sorry about that. Hello, creators. It's me, Lady Hale, and I am on here today showing you how to create a lead form that could lead people into your automations and stuff like that. So this is what we call a lead capture page. All right, a lead capture page is what leads your audience into whatever automations that you're going to have. But in order to create, but in order for them to enter your automation, you need what they call a trigger. A trigger is kind of like if I walk on something and I hit a button, it triggers like an alarm or something to go off. So this is kind of how you do a lead page that triggers your automation flow. This is going to be working in your ads, things of that things of that nature. Okay, so let's go from here. So we're gonna go to the screen. We're gonna log into our mailer Lite there. Once we log into the mailer Lite, you're gonna log into your account. I've already showed you guys how to set up that account, etc. Now we're gonna go in here. I'm just gonna click the new version of it. You know, once we go into the new version, I want you to come over here and click on forms. Okay, so forms is how you're able to get your thing, like get your stuff. Okay, so you can do like an embedded form, or you can do like a promotion. Okay, so promotions aren't available, so we're going to do an embedded form. So this is like a form you can put on your page or something like that, but this is going to get them into the group. So you're going to say create. Once you say create, I'm just going to say the name of it. I'm just on this particular one, I'll just name it pain point. Okay, and then I'll say continue and save. Okay, so on there, I'm going to select the group it wants to go to if I want to add a new group. And I'm just going to say beginner marketing people. Okay, these are beginner marketers. So I'm going to add this group. But if I wanted to go to another particular group, I would have them there. So I'll say continue. This allows me to already segment my group. Okay, so from there, it's going to give you like this little builder that you can use, and it's going to have all the different things that you can do right here. So let's say just with right here, and I'm gonna say, hey, download your download what down you know down download your free pain point worksheet. Yes. Then we're just gonna click here. I'm just gonna say yes, I want it. Okay. Right here is where you're gonna capture, you can capture the email. But if you want to add some other things, you're gonna add another field. Okay. Not only that, you're gonna say, hey, I want your name. I don't know why there you go. I want your name, your email, and you can put like, hey, this is required. Save. Email, that's definitely required, so you don't need to do that. You can add label. Then you can start asking for okay, company, country, city, phone. That's what we want. Okay, and if you kind of want to know the name of their business, that's cool too. What city? Okay, what's your phone number? What's the name of your company? If you have one, you can, company and phone number here, phone, and just put in the label. We don't spam. We don't spam. Okay. You can put required if this is like, oh, you're not gonna get this unless you give me your number. But some people don't like to get that number. That's fine. You don't have to put that required. But we do need their name in their city. If you want to know what city they're coming from, you can put required. Okay, and then from there you're just gonna save. You're gonna save that. All right. So now from here you're gonna say on the subscribe button, and you're gonna gonna say get my download. Okay. Now, when the download comes, I'll show you how to do it in here. Okay, and on the setting, you can do is right here. So let's say you have their download inside of a Google Drive. So I'm gonna go to Google Drive right here, and I'm gonna get the link because I don't know it by heart. And make sure you go to drive.google.com. Make sure when you go into this this link, like so, you make sure when you load it to your Google Drive, you go over here to where it says like share. Share and copy link, and on it, manage access. Once you have managed the access there, you want to make sure that anyone who has a link can download this particular thing, okay? So you're going to say copy link, because if it's not on, they're going to have to ask you for permission. You don't want that. You want them to download and go, especially on a lead, okay? And this is the same process. This is the same process, creatives, for anything. And once you've done that, you just press done editing, and then from there, yeah, that's it. All right, and then if you want to share the URL, you go over here, and this is the URL that you're sharing the lead, just like so. And there go your lead form. All right, until next time, God bless.